Okay, boy. So today you gotta decide what sounds animals make. This is the first one. Gabriel, what is this? I think it's cock, nickname chicken. Okay. It need to be something loud, like I don't like that. I don't like that. Yeah, you gotta figure something else. You said cock. Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah. Do that. Next is this. I like that. Simple but commanding. I like that one, y'all. Wait, let me write that down. Okay, next is this. Gabriel, get off me. Well, what's wrong? That's the sound I wanted to make. Oh, child, I thought you was having a stroke.